In this video, I'll be analyzing three stocks. One is Hero MotoCorp and another one is Mahindra and Mahindra and then Maruti. So I am expecting some turn around in motor sector now. So motor sector has been underperformed very long, like almost 5 months. Here you can see Maruti touched 8,200 during January second week, and then from there it started falling around 2,000 points, 1,800 points. So last 4 week continuous last 4 weeks we can see here, like every week it is keep moving upside. So my expectation is it is going to break out near this range. So I'm expecting a breakout near this range. Once it is crossed, then we can expect a 7,500 and then 8,200. So these are the support zone for Maruti. So if anyone wants to enter, they can enter it near this range. Only for long-term investor. I don't suggest for short-term. So if you're a long-term investor, keep investing these stocks. Okay, so these are the buy zone. So here also you can enter, here also you can enter. This is my breakout zone. So once this is broken, then we can expect this stock to cross 7,500 and then 8,000. Okay, so this is Maruti. So here itself we can see I'm just analyzing in a weekly chart. So don't know for don't do intraday based on this analysis. So this may not work for intraday or very short term like a weekly time frame. So this is strictly only for long term investment. And then my second is, so this is my third priority. So M&M is my second priority, and then Hero MotoCorp is first priority for the long term investment. Okay, so here you can see these three are very strong buy zone, and this is a major buy zone. I don't think so this will come to 600. Okay, so if at all, if there is any fall, I don't think so it will come down below this range. So this itself very good buy zone. So this level itself very good buy zone for at least for this one swing. We can expect this stock to cross 950 soon, maybe in 1 or 2 months, and then this should touch this 1025. So this is the pending target based on the square of 9. So I'm expecting this stock to touch 2025. Okay, so these are the target. These two are my target. So if we consider almost 20 to 30% we can expect from this stock if you are a long-term investor. So here this is also same, like don't do intraday or 2 or 3 days holding. So this is strictly for at least minimum 2 to 3 month holding. Okay, so and then third is Hero MotoCorp. So I'm expecting this is the major consolidation area for Hero MotoCorp. Here itself, we can see from last 2 months it was consolidating in within this level itself. So this level slightly broken last week. So we can expect this to touch this level very soon. So 3,000. 300 range, and then my second target is 3,600 and third is 4,000. So almost if we calculate from here, 560 points here, 560 points we can get. So if at all, if we just buy 10 quantity, we can get 5,000 rupees here itself. So based on the risk level, you can enter. And then my second target is 4,000. So 1,000 find we can expect. So 35% we can expect now. So if you are a long-term investor, definitely this stock will cross due to this pandemic. So this has been underperformed. So once this lockdown is over, I think we can expect this stock to cross all-time high very soon. So here itself a long-term view, if you see in the broader view, so this is the major area. So here is the demand zone. So now at a demand zone, we can expect this stock to reach higher level. So this stock is at very cheap price now, we can consider. So if you are long-term investors or in out of all three, so this is my first priority stock, and this is my second, and then third. Anyway, this Maruti might touch 8,000 very soon. So all three are looking very good. So if you are long-term investor, keep adding this stock every fall. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and please do share and subscribe.